This video quickly walks you through on how to create a product advertising video with Google Gemini AI in just few steps. The first step to take is to open your web browser. Visit gemini.google.com. You can see the web link here, gemini.google.com. I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. The next step is to take your cursor to this video. All right, click on that. This will make this AI tool to be in video mode, showing you some sample videos here. So here, click where you have describe your video and describe the kind of product advert video you want to create. And here is my prompt. Create a product advertising video for a smartphone known as Godwin 1, manufactured by Godwin Mic, with features of 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and satellite messaging that keeps you in touch with the world. Aluminum and ceramic shield protection, 6.9-inch AMOLED, 200 megapixel Godwin Vision Pro camera. All right, 5600 mAh graphene battery and fast charging. All right, you may not need to speak all this grammar or this long statement. All right, you can tell it, okay, I am maybe Mr. Mike and I sell ebooks. Like, it gives samples of those ebook title and then tell it to generate a product advertising video for you. It will create it for you. Maybe you want to add an image, maybe an image of that product. You click here, select upload file, and pick that from your PC and add here. It will help this AI tool to create something that specifically interests you. Okay, so this is my prompt in this case. So once you're done with the prompt, you get down to this section and you will see the landscape mode selected by default. If we want maybe something portrait, you click here and select portrait. So these are the only two dimensions this can create at this point. All right, that means at the time of creating this video. In time to come, Gemini may have more features in terms of dimensions. So once you are good with setting up all these things, the next step you need to take is to click on submit. All right, the video has been generated and it took about 5 minutes for it to do this job. So once you scroll by this way, you will see the full preview. Then you click on play to play it.
Experience the power of Godwin 1 with 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and satellite messaging, protected by aluminum and ceramic shield. Godwin 1, connect to your world.
And this is beautiful, quick and active. All right, so if you don't like what it generates at the first time, you can click on this redo for it to generate another one for you. But I'm okay with this. So when you take your cursor to the video, you can click on the download button for you to download it. So you can see it has been downloaded. So if you want to share it with people, you can click on this share button. Then you'll be taken to an interface that looks like this. So once you are taken here, the link to that video gets copied automatically, but you can still click on copy link for it to be copied. From here, you can share it to people on WhatsApp or even as message in their emails, right? As email messages. Or you can click on YouTube to share it directly from YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, X, and Reddit. So these are options provided for you to share from here. And that is cool. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology, including AI. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button, and leave a comment. See you some other time.